Comedex. Control it now. Comedex is a revolutionary treatment that prevents and repairs acne, acne damage, oily and combination skin, keeping it clear and blemish-free without overdrying. Oily skin, acne, and acne damage are caused by various factors, including hormonal imbalances, genetic factors, bacterial contamination, lack of hygiene, imbalanced diet, stress, and more. The soothing and hydrating 8-step Comedex treatment is formulated to treat blemishes and prevent future breakouts while reducing the signs of aging and lightening post-acne hyperpigmentation and scars. Step 1. Grape and lemon soap removes sebum and pollutants while lightening and energizing skin. Step 2. Scrub and gommage uses loofah and apricot seed powder to create friction, softening pore congestion, removing dead cells, and expelling displaced keratin. Step 3. Tomato alpha-beta peel penetrates the hydrolipo barrier with a combination of alpha and beta hydroxy acids, which regulates sebum production, and tomato acid, a natural antibiotic that combats acne-causing bacteria. The antiseptic heating solution stimulates blood circulation, oxygenating and detoxifying skin. The heat generated unblocks and disinfects comedones, promoting easy and safe extraction. Step 5. Treatment lotion encourages cell turnover and protects against bacterial reinfection with retinol, glycolic, salicylic, and lactic acids. Step 6 uses transcutol to smooth away scars, while powerful lighteners such as kojic acid, bearberry extract, and citric acid repair hyperpigmentation. Step 7. Tomato mask ends the treatment process by contracting pores and evening skin tone. Step 8. Purifying cinnamon mask detoxifies and disinfects skin while calming and soothing any irritation, leaving skin relaxed and refreshed. Comedex treatment uses a triple action process to heal acne and acne-prone skin. A thorough cleaning dries and exfoliates skin, preparing it for treatment. A natural heating solution warms the skin, increasing oxygenated blood flow and lymphatic drainage. The warming sensation also softens the skin, opening pores for comedone extractions. After extraction, antibacterial agents, skin regenerators, and lighteners are applied. Antibacterial agents are essential to heal the existing blemishes and prevent future breakouts. Finally, a soothing mask reduces inflammation and redness, calming the skin and normalizing overall skin health. In just one session, Comedex removes excess sebum, disinfects to prevent bacterial proliferation, and soothes and calms inflammation for clear, healthy skin. Comedex Home Use Kit works hand-in-hand with the salon treatments to continually improve skin conditions and prevent breakouts. Comedex Home Treatment begins by cleansing skin thoroughly, removing dirt and excess sebum without overdrying the skin. The daytime transparent gel maintains the skin's natural hydration and flora for a matte look. The night gel enhances skin renewal and proliferation, unclogging pores while lightening blemishes and scars. Acne heals faster with less scarring, and skin is healthier with less breakouts. Through continuous use of day and nighttime treatments, Comedex heals and improves overall skin health for beautiful, radiant, clear skin.